Hi, in this video, let's see how you can copy data from a previous visit or any of the past visits into the current visit record. You can go to the Journey tab. You will see on different dates, different diagnosis procedures, all of that is being done. So you can go to any of these past visits and you see a copy button here. So you can click on this copy and this will copy the diagnosis from the past visit into the current visit. So if you say append and you go back into the diagnosis tab and see that all these diagnoses has been copied. Let's try to do it once again. For example, here there are no investigations. I go into the journey tab, I pick up a visit, um, and in this visit there were these investigations were done. So I copy this, I click on this copy button, I say append this, and when I go back into my diagnosis page, here I will see that these are all the investigations that were copied from the past visit. So it's possible for you to copy data from any of these heads from multiple visits. So you can actually copy data from visit 10, visit 11, visit 12 and append all of that into your current visit. So this is one way how you can copy data from the previous visit. And when you go into the case sheet, here you have an option wherein you can actually copy from a previous visit. So generally case sheets are entered in a very detailed manner. So if you want to use the data that was entered in your previous visit as the basis for you to start data entry for the current visit, so you can actually click on this button which says copy from the previous visit, and this will copy the data from the previous visit if there are any previous visits associated to this patient. So this is how you would actually copy data from the previous visit into the current visit, which will enable a very easy data entry for you.